Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. This is one of my chickens. And these chickens live in this awesome chicken coop that I built about 4.5 years ago. And I wanted to give you a quick overview of the chicken coop and how it's fared, having built it really to endure heavy winds, and it has about 5 times since I built it. First of all, the concept is to have an enclosed area that accesses the inner coop that you can close and keep the chickens in, and then in normal operating hours you open it and they are out in a larger chicken paradise where they can eat bugs and do what chickens do, roost all day long. But I have a ventilation system that I installed all along the top, and it flows out that way. We get east winds. The ocean's only about 5 blocks that way. These are ocean chickens. That's a nice little clean out the hen house situation, and of course the inner coop. Now don't forget to subscribe to Eat Your Backyard. Also check out my original music on Jedi Jingle Maker.